I'm counting down the best magic wallets available on Penguin Magic, and be sure to stick around to the end because I'll share with you the wallet I carry with me every day and the trick I do to get runaway reactions. Let's start with card to wallet, a classic trick in Magic where a signed card vanishes from the deck and appears in your wallet. Coming in at number 6 is the best modern card to wallet on the market. That is the Razer Card to Wallet by Josh Burch. As styles change, we're finding more and more wallets that carry only a couple of credit cards, maybe a spot for your ID. But in general, slim wallets that can fit in your front pocket are the current fashion trend. Now, I've messed around with a lot of wallets over the years, and the tendency in this realm is to fake that the card is in the wallet. But that is not the case with the Razer Card to Wallet. Josh has designed a clever loading system that doesn't require palming and allows you to show the card actually inside the wallet. It's easy to use, and Josh teaches some really clever ways to load this wallet. Plus, it comes in genuine leather, so it can stand up to the rigors of being an everyday wallet. Josh's tutorial is great, and even though I've been studying card magic for years, I learned a couple of new things in it that I loved. And for me, it comes in at number 6. Now, let's move on to number 5. Number 5 is the Blind Man's Wallet by Meni Lindenfeld. Let's jump over to a different style of wallet, and that is the Peak Wallet. You see, mentalists are always looking for really clever ways to gain secret information that are written on billets, and one of the go-to wallets for mentalists around the world is the Blind Man's Wallet by Meni Lindenfeld. You can actually see this one has been through the ringer because this is actually carried by one of the associates here at Penguin Magic. Now, one of the craziest things about this wallet is that the piece of paper that the secret info is written on is folded in half and then it goes into the wallet. And it's still folded in half when it comes out of the wallet, and you can still get a full peek. This super clever method is incredibly deceptive. And because you can get a full peek, that means you can do mentalism tricks with more than words or numbers. You can also do drawing duplications, which I think is some of the strongest mentalism out there. The folded peek is an added layer of deception that Meni has used to fool magicians. Lay people don't stand a chance. Coming in at number 5 for me is the Blind Man's Wallet. I'm Eric Tate from Penguin Magic, and before we go any further, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when we put up more videos to help you choose from all of the incredible magic tricks on the market today. I know it's sometimes hard for you to figure out what the best trick is for you. I'm out there performing and testing these props all of the time, and I want to help you make a wise buying decision. So tune into more of these lists to find out my real experiences with these tricks in the field. Okay. Let's get back to the list and take a look at number 4. Number 4 is the Hip Pocket Mullica Wallet by Tim Trono. If you're still carrying cash and want a super deceptive card to wallet, you definitely want to check out Hip Pocket Mullica. A lot of card wallets just stop at the signed card coming out of the wallet. The Mullica has a smaller wallet inside that the card appears in. It actually comes out of this zippered pocket right here. It makes it completely impossible for lay people to figure out. And the extra wallet gives you extra cover when sneaking the card into the impossible location. You literally don't need to know how to palm a card when you use this wallet. Now, it's technically a hip pocket wallet because of its size, but it falls more into a secretary style wallet that you would have carried in the breast pocket of your jacket if you were wearing a suit. If you want to add a card to wallet to your stage or parlor act, or you want to get some confidence in an open mic night, this is the wallet for you. And one pro tip I have is to make sure you get the genuine leather version. I actually have nothing against the vegan leather one. I just think that the action on the load is better on the genuine leather. This is a truly awesome card to wallet that I know Nick Lacapo has used in his professional shows and has used as his everyday wallet. It's just a little too big for my taste, which is why I don't have it higher on the list, but it's still a killer prop that you will get awesome reactions with. Now let's take a look at number 3. Number 3 on this list is a wallet that I actually carry with me every day, and it's the Razer Wallet by D. Christopher. This is another Peak wallet, but it's more in fashion with the front pocket style that I prefer. I like this wallet for a number of reasons. The first of which is that the peak on it is dead simple, and you can combine it with a pretty cool piece of technology that allows you to see the secret information and no one else can, even when the area where you would view the secret is exposed. A lot of people have done some great work with the Razer Wallet, and I actually teach a bonus routine that I'm going to talk to you about a little later in this video. But for my money, the Razer Wallet is one of the best peak wallets you can get. Let's take a look at number 2. Number 2 for me is an oldie but a goodie. This is the Real Man's Wallet by Steve Drawn. By the way, this is my actual Steve Drawn Real Man's Wallet. I carried this in my back pocket for well over a decade. This classic wallet allows you to make a signed card appear in the spot where your driver's license would normally go. Now, it's been a staple in magicians' pockets for decades, and the reason why is because it's easy to load, gets you comfortable with palming, and it's just a durable, fantastic wallet. One of my favorite effects that I have performed, which doesn't even use a playing card, is an ID switch. Now, a lot of magicians have played with the idea of doing a transposition between your identification and a spectator's borrowed license. In fact, I used to carry this Real Man's Wallet just for that trick. Now, I actually developed an adaptation of that trick for use with the Razer Wallet, and you get the tutorial for free on how to do that transposition when you buy the Razer Wallet. I've got the Real Man's Wallet at number 2 because it's a real hip pocket wallet, and it's great when you want to carry some cash on you. Let's move on. But before I reveal my favorite magic wallet, let me know in the comments your favorite wallets, as well as other lists of tricks that you want me to tell you about my favorites and my real experiences with. Okay, it's time to find out my favorite wallet. Let's get into number 1. Number 1 is The Prophecy. More specifically, The Prophecy by Roberto Giobbi comes with one of the single best switching wallets I've seen in years. The Prophecy is a great trick, but I bought the effect specifically for the wallet that it comes with. A Himber wallet is a Z-style fold wallet that allows you to switch objects depending on how you open it. Now, for decades, people have made them as just a simple Z fold, but the original Himber wallet had a very special, unique difference, and it was this top clasp that held it closed with a snap. This specific feature is what makes the Himber wallet so convincing. You see, when a layperson looks at it, they assume it can only open one way because of the design. Now, I actually use the wallet from The Prophecy in my stage show for a trick I learned from the books The Magic of Johnny Thompson. And I am so confident in this wallet design that I will often leave the open Himber wallet in the spectator's hand while I'm doing the trick. The Prophecy is a great trick where a spectator freely names a card and your wallet contains the exact prediction of what they chose. But if you need a wallet to switch anything in close-up or on stage, this is a must-have wallet. I literally looked for this style of Himber wallet for years without success. It's the best Himber wallet on the market. Hands down, end of discussion. And that's why for me, it's number 1. That's it. Those are my favorite magic wallets that you can get at Penguin Magic today. Let me know in the comments your favorite magic wallets and what you use them for. Thanks again for watching. And as always, we'll see you next time.